So hey guys, we're from the Hilton Boston Logan Airport, but this is where we're staying overnight. We have flight out in the morning. It's connected, so that you know, it is connected directly to Terminal A and E, Terminals A and E, which are the Delta terminals. Delta for domestic is Terminal A, and for international is Terminal E, although we're going to Hawaii, and that's considered, that flies out of the international terminal. So we're gonna go check this out right in here, okay? Shuttles that go to the airport, but go to all the terminals here at the airport. But in our case, we're going to be walking the walkway to go to that. So won't need to do won't need to use the shuttle, because I was told already, at least for Terminal E, it would be 10 minutes to walk, 10 minutes to take the shuttle. So you might as well walk it. When you come into the lobby, one of the first things on your left you'll see is the concierge desk. Over here on the right is your check-in area. And over here you'll see the bell desk. Check in there to have them help you with your bags if you need it. The fitness center sits just off the lobby. It is open 24 hours a day with your key card. There's a women's restroom right here, along with a water station. There's a fitness circuit area, towels, free weights. On the other side here is the treadmills and the stair steppers. And the men's room is right down the hall here. The pool area sits just off the gym. It is open from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. Plenty of seating. There's towels. The water was warm, good, comfortable. There is the hot tub right there. Just outside here is the gift shop, so you can pick up any sundries or necessities, as well as any souvenirs. The lobby is pretty spacious and open, well lit. And this is directly connected to the airport terminals. So they do provide some approximate times getting from here to each of the terminals. Some items you'll see in the lobby are the Cafe Prestos, which has lattes, cappuccinos, regular coffee, pastries, and snacks. They are open from 5:30 in the morning till 7 p.m. Over also in the lobby is Berkshire's, which serves breakfast. They're open from 6:30 to 11 a.m. each day. And there is a fee for that. It's not complimentary. Just also off the lobby, you're going to see a small area, alcove, that has a microwave. There aren't any microwaves in the room, so it's got a back door to Connolly's. There are Amazon lockers. There's restrooms back here. There's a water fountain. There's also an ATM machine. Remember, check those fees, bank fees. And there's also vending machines. You can use a credit card or cash. So let's head up in the elevator. We're going to the 7th floor, so let's ride up together. So when you step out of the elevator, to the left is a ice and water station in the hall. So we're in room 754. So let's go check this out. When you first enter the room, the bathroom is on the right. Standard with a single sink, good lighting, a single toilet. It's a little small. There's a hair dryer, uh, shower tub combination that has shampoo, conditioner, and body gel. There's also a small closet, enough for 2 people, but that'll be okay. Uh, you'll see there's an iron and an ironing board in here. Now this is a 2 queen, standard, city view. No overhead lighting in the room, but there are 3 lamps. The one between the bed here, it is 2 switches, one on each side. There are outlets, one on each side, 1 and 2. The clock has 2 outlets and 2 USB-A ports. This also has an in-drawer safe. I love the in-drawer safe. They're awesome. Standard flat screen television, along with a refrigerator. And, we got 2 bottles of water as well. There is a coffee maker and tea. And the desk lamp does have a single outlet and a single USB-A port. And the third lamp is over here by the window. Terminal A. Nice view of the city, and that's also Terminal A, the airport. So we ate at Connolly's last night. They're open from 11 a.m. till 12 a.m. We had burgers and a chicken sandwich. They were pretty good. We also had fries and some house-made chips, and those were excellent. The pricing is a little pricey, but it is what you'd expect in an airport. Uh, as a Hilton Honors Gold member, we'd received $36 off our dining. So we used our Hilton Honors points to stay the night, but it would have been $400 cash if we had not. If anyone has stayed here, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you'll get our future content. This is Mike for Suitcase Packed Will Travel.